Hello future teacher, in this video we are going to learn some tips on how to teach Roman numerals to our primary learners. The very first teaching strategy that we can use to teach Roman numerals is the show and tell, and this strategy is actually divided into two stages. For the very first stage, we have the show. So we have to write the Roman numerals. We have to write them out on a whiteboard or a big poster. And second, the basic requirement for teaching Roman numerals is to let the learners memorize the values. And these are the values of the letters. For letter I, this is equal to 1. Letter V, it is equal to 5. Letter X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500. And letter M is equal to 1000. For the tell, let the kids have turns writing them too, or making them say it out loud. Show and tell. Note, explain the key rules. The learners really have to understand these rules in order for them to be able to identify the value of a Roman numeral. The very first rule is, when a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is added. For example, V and I. This is equal to V plus I. Now let's find the value of V and let's find the value of I. V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. Since I comes after a larger symbol, which is 5 or V, we will add 1 to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And the second rule is, when a symbol appears before a larger number, it is subtracted. The symbol I appears before the symbol X. X is the larger number since X is equal to 10. So meaning to say, we have to subtract I from X. So X minus I. X is equal to 10 and I is equal to 1. So 10 minus 1 and our answer is 9. IX is read as 9. The second strategy to teach Roman numerals is counting out loud. Children love attention, and when they are being told to become quiet, they tend to behave otherwise. And so, allowing them to count out loud the Roman numerals or read out loud the Roman numerals from 1 to 20, they will be able to enjoy the activity. Third, Roman number scavenger hunt. This is a very exciting strategy or activity. Specifically, what we're going to do in this scavenger hunt is that we need to create a bunch of Roman numerals and hide them in the classroom. And we may attach them to different items. Let's say, for example, letter I, we are going to attach them to an eraser. And letter X, we are going to attach them behind the chalkboard. Letter V, we are going to attach them into the teacher's table. So on and so forth. And after that one, we will give the children a sheet with Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. And next, we will have them write down what the corresponding Roman numeral is attached to. Let's say, for example, the letter I. If we have attached it to an eraser, they are going to write on a sheet of paper a number 1, the word eraser. Another tip or strategy that we can utilize in teaching Roman numerals is the Roman numeral bingo. First, we will need sticky labels to cover a 1 to 6 die in the Roman numerals 5, X, L, C, D, and M. So this is our dice, and we will need this board. Second, we will let learners find a partner. This is a game for 2 players. Third, they will take turns to roll the die. When they see their number, they will cover it up. For example, the letter that they will get after rolling the die is letter D, and that is equal to 5. They will find it in the board and they will cover this up. You can provide them with other sheets of paper or colored papers that could cover the specific numbers. And then, just like a bingo game, the first player to get 4 numbers in a row, it could be horizontally, vertically or diagonally is the winner. Now, the other instructional materials for teaching Roman numerals. We can use these cutout letters, and we can also use matchsticks. Next, we can print letters, or we can buy online Roman number kit, or we can make it by ourselves if we want to save money. And we can also make it this one, or like this. We will print worksheets like this.